Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving on Red Hills Road, and Red Hills Road is a very popular road we're going on to Red Hills Road now. It's a very popular road in Kingston, and when you think of Red Hills Road, there are two things you think of, and straight ahead is the Price Smart building. It's a warehouse, a wholesale warehouse club in Jamaica. Very popular. They just opened a second location in Portmore. And you also think, when you think of Red Hills Road, you also think of pan chicken. You can get some of the best pan chicken in Jamaica on Red Hills Road. So this is Red Hills Road. It's mostly a commercial area. You have a lot of stores, plazas, and you have some schools as well. And one of the top primary schools in Jamaica is St. Richard's Primary, which is on the left. Very good school. They get some of the top passes in Jamaica every year. On the right is KFC, and that's GSAT. The primary schools do an exam called GSAT. It used to be common entrance, and then based on those results you get placed into a high school. So the students who get the higher grades go into their first choice schools, which usually are the better schools. Some countries that place students in high school according to where they live, but in Jamaica it's based on the exam results. And the pan chicken is like, you're going to see some drums on the side of the road, and that's what they cook the chicken in. They call it pan chicken because they cook it in a pan. Okay, on the right now is the total Red Hills Road. On the left is the entrance to 100 Lane. Now on the right is Red Hills Mall. And that used to be one of the top malls in Jamaica, but it's not that popular anymore. And Red Hills Road used to be a very busy commercial place, but it's not that busy anymore. Not as busy as it used to be. It used to have a lot of hardware stores, a lot of commercial buildings, but over time those stores have closed down or opened up somewhere else. On the right is a cable company. Okay, on the right now is Lee's Food Fair. Very popular supermarket in Jamaica. They also have a location in the Boulevard Super Center. Okay, on the right is Burger King. As you can see, Red Hills Road is a very long road. And it also has another school, another very popular school in Calabar High School. And these schools are associated with churches. They were founded by churches. So like St. Richard's Primary has a church on the compound. And so I'm not sure if Calabar has a church on the compound, but it's affiliated with a church. And it's a Baptist church. There's a sign on the right, Calabar High School. Okay, straight ahead now is the intersection with Washington Boulevard. So if you turn left, you take Washington Boulevard up to Dunrobin Avenue and then on to Constant Spring Road. And if you turn right, it takes you take Washington Boulevard down to Mandela Highway, and you can drive out to Kingston that way. left is the IGT office, and they're the ones who maintain the Supreme Ventures gambling machines. On the left is the trade center. It's like a mini warehouse district in Jamaica. On the right is Dunn's Electrical, very popular electrical store. Sell lighting fixtures and electrical supplies. Now on the left is one of the two entrances to Marketplace, and Marketplace has a lot of restaurants, very popular entertainment place. And on right is Sugar and Spice, which is the same as Tasty. They actually sell the Tasty patties, but I'm not sure why you have stores called Tasty and why you have some called Sugar and Spice. I'm only assuming and guessing that it's probably the same family, but probably different members of the family, but they sell the exact same Tasty patty. Some stores are named Tasty, some stores are named Sugar and Spice. If anybody knows that relationship between Tasty and Sugar and Spice, you can leave a message in the comment section below. Alright, so straight ahead now is, if we turn left, we go on to Eastwood Park Road, which takes us up to Constant Spring Road. If we had gone straight, where you see those cars up there, that is Constant Spring Road. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.